Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 5 best cheap Aliexpress phone accessories. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the phone accessories are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest accessories reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the Baseus magnetic phone holder stand. Are you tired of fumbling with your phone when you're driving or need a hands-free solution? Look no further. The Baseus magnetic phone holder stand is here to make your life easier and more convenient. Let's take a closer look at its incredible features. With its powerful magnetic design, the Baseus magnetic phone holder stand securely holds your smartphone in place, keeping it stable even on bumpy roads. No more searching for your phone under your car seat. The Baseus magnetic phone holder stand also comes equipped with a cell phone grip fingering holder. Simply slide your finger through the ring and have a firm grip on your phone at all times. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. The Baseus magnetic phone holder stand is universally designed to fit all smartphone models, including the latest iPhone 14, 13 Pro Max, and Samsung devices. Installing the Baseus magnetic phone holder stand is a breeze. Simply attach the holder to any flat surface, and you're good to go. It provides a secure and stable mount for your phone in seconds. Experience the freedom of effortlessly using your phone while keeping it securely held with the Baseus magnetic phone holder stand. Get yours today and make your life safer and more convenient. Baseus magnetic phone holder stand, your ultimate phone accessory for a secure and hands-free experience. Introducing the Baseus Gravity Car Phone Holder, the ultimate solution for hands-free phone usage while driving. With its innovative design and flexible suction cup, this mobile cell phone support mount is the perfect accessory for your car. Installing the Baseus Gravity Car Phone Holder is quick and easy. Simply attach it to your car's dashboard using the powerful suction cup. Once installed, you can effortlessly place your phone in the holder. The gravity linkage design ensures a secure and stable grip, keeping your phone in place even on bumpy roads. The Baseus Gravity Car Phone Holder offers 360-degree rotation, allowing you to adjust the viewing angle to your preference. Whether you need to use your phone for navigation or take hands-free calls, this holder has got you covered. Say goodbye to fumbling with your phone while driving. The Baseus Gravity Car Phone Holder keeps your phone within easy reach, ensuring a safer and more convenient driving experience. When you're done using it, simply detach the holder from the dashboard without leaving any residue or damage. The Baseus Gravity Car Phone Holder is made with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Compatible with most smartphones, this holder is designed to fit various sizes and models, making it versatile for any car owner. Upgrade your driving experience with the Baseus Gravity Car Phone Holder. Get yours today and enjoy the convenience and safety of hands-free phone usage on the road. Introducing the Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal, the ultimate solution for convenient and safe phone usage while driving. With its strong magnetic grip and universal compatibility, this phone holder is designed to securely hold any smartphone, including popular brands like iPhone, Samsung, LG, Google Pixel, and many more. Installing the Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal is a breeze. Simply attach the holder to your car's air vent, and it's ready to use. No complicated setup or tools required. Thanks to its powerful magnets, your phone will stay firmly in place, even on bumpy roads or during sudden stops. Say goodbye to fumbling around for your phone while driving. The Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal offers 360-degree rotation, allowing you to adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle. Whether you prefer portrait or landscape mode, this holder has got you covered. Need to use your phone for GPS navigation? No problem. The Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal keeps your phone within easy reach, ensuring clear visibility of your directions without distracting you from the road. We understand the importance of aesthetics, which is why our phone holder boasts a sleek and minimalistic design that seamlessly blends with any car interior. It won't obstruct your view or clutter your dashboard. And when you're not using it, simply detach the phone holder from the air vent with a single hand motion. It's quick, easy, and leaves no residue or marks behind. Upgrade your driving experience with the Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal. Stay connected, stay safe. Get yours today. Introducing the Phone Holder Stand Aluminum Alloy by Baseus, the perfect accessory to enhance your mobile device experience. With its premium construction using high-quality aluminum alloy, this phone holder stand offers durability and stability like no other. It's designed to securely hold your smartphone or tablet, providing a hands-free viewing experience. Whether you have the latest iPhone 13, Samsung Galaxy, or any other mobile device, this stand is compatible with a wide range of smartphones and tablets. The adjustable design allows you to find the perfect viewing angle for your needs. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or video chatting, this stand ensures optimal comfort and convenience. Need to follow a recipe while cooking? No problem. This phone holder stand is also great for use in the kitchen. Keep your device at eye level, allowing you to easily read instructions or watch cooking tutorials without getting your device dirty. Worried about portability? Don't be. This phone holder stand features a foldable design, making it compact and easy to carry wherever you go. Whether you're traveling, working, or simply relaxing at home, take this stand with you and enjoy hands-free convenience anytime, anywhere. And for those on the go, this stand is also perfect for use in your car. Attach it to your dashboard or windshield, and keep your device securely in place while using GPS navigation or enjoying hands-free calls. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move, the phone holder stand aluminum alloy by Baseus is the ultimate accessory to elevate your mobile device experience. Upgrade your smartphone or tablet experience today with a phone holder stand aluminum alloy by Baseus. Get yours now and enjoy the convenience and versatility it offers. Introducing the phone ring holder, the ultimate accessory for your smartphone. Are you tired of dropping your phone while taking selfies or texting on the go? Do you find it difficult to get a secure grip on your device? Well, worry no more. The phone ring holder is here to revolutionize the way you handle your smartphone. With its stylish and ergonomic design, the phone ring holder provides a secure grip for your smartphone, preventing accidental drops and slips. Whether you're taking selfies, texting, or browsing the web, the phone ring holder ensures a comfortable and secure grip, giving you peace of mind. But that's not all. The phone ring holder also doubles as a convenient stand, allowing you to enjoy hands-free viewing of your favorite content. And here's the best part. The phone ring holder is compatible with magnetic car mounts. Simply attach it to your car's dashboard, and you can use your smartphone safely while driving. The phone ring holder is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including the latest iPhone and Samsung models. It's designed to be durable and long-lasting, ensuring it stays securely attached to your device. Installation is a breeze. Just peel off the adhesive backing, stick it to the back of your phone, and you're ready to go. The phone ring holder is also adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect angle for your comfort. And with a variety of colors and finishes to choose from, you can personalize your phone ring holder to match your style. Upgrade your smartphone experience with the phone ring holder. Get yours today and never worry about dropping your phone again. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.